Today we are with Green River Outfitters and we are going on a hike that is going to be going down a river. We're going to be doing rappelling, sliding on rock slides, jumping from waterfalls into the water, and walking through waterfalls, I think, maybe, something like that.
The trail is in the river.
The trail is in the river, yeah. So it's going to be an exciting day. Megan found this on the internet, but we're going to give it a shot.
Nick is fitted for his rappel. He's going to be one of the first ones to go. Rappel down a 30-foot mountain.
Rock wall.
And like from up top, it didn't, I mean, it looked really scary, but from down here, you're like, oh. I had a hard time letting someone else be in control, and I was gripping on so tight because I was kind of scared.
Waterfall. It was cold, but it felt amazing.
Oh my gosh! So this trail is mostly in the water.
Just floating down the river here.
We're just floating. Having a great time, just floating.
Floating backwards.
Show them the other view. Turn around.
That's where we came from.
Where we came from. Getting ready to jump right down there. I'm gonna film him.
Let's do it.
I'm already cold. Cool swimming hole. I love it here. We just came from there. Watch this. He's going under that rock, under the waterfall. You can't see him at all. And there he comes out the bottom.
This is really cool. And I'm glad you found it.
Do it. Awesome. Oh God, there's
I knew that was coming and you didn't.